NewTechWood offers 4 different board profiles in the Ultra Shield Natural composite decking line. The first is the Voyager board. One side is smooth and the other has a wood grain texture. Either side can be facing up. This is the main board for most decks and can only be attached with the hidden fastener systems. These boards cannot be secured with screws and should never be used on stairs. Next is the Magellan board. This is a solid board that can also be installed with either side facing up using our hidden fasteners or composite deck screws. The Cortez board has a solid profile without any grooves. These boards also have a different pattern on each side and can be used as stair treads or regular deck boards and are attached with composite deck screws. They can be routed to accommodate hidden fasteners, but should not be routed the entire length of the board. Last, the Columbus board is our solid board with a groove on one side for the hidden fasteners and one groove underneath for the starter clips. There is only one side that can be facing up with the Columbus board. It can be used as a bullnose on stair treads and as the last board at the edge of a deck. This board can be attached with our hidden fasteners, starter clips, and/or composite deck screws. NewTechWood also offers a fascia board that can be used around the perimeter of the deck to cover the structural framework.